just want them in little chunks. I just want to drizzle this over the chicken. You just want to coat it pretty good. Some pepper. And some salt. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Paprika. Some chili powder. Some cayenne pepper. And whatever kind of hot sauce you have. I've got Tabasco pepper sauce. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in there. And you just want to marinate this. Stir it up really good. And you want to let this set in the refrigerator and marinate for a few hours. I'm going to preheat this for my chicken, my buffalo chicken. I've got my little chicken pieces. I'm going to place them in the air fryer. Here at Sizzle. Hit start. And I'm going to knock it down to 10 minutes. So shake around